Lei Ho Ma, that's how's it going in Cantonese. I'm Wil Yeung. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. Thank you for being part of this cooking show and for sharing in this channel's reaching 100,000 subscribers. You are amazing. I remember when this channel had only about 10 subscribers years ago. I was one of them. And it wasn't really until after about 200 episodes until there was really any sort of real momentum. So I'm very grateful and very humbled. And if you've stuck around for that long, then you are an OG. One of the reasons why I started this channel a while ago was because I used to run a coconut milk business in the Greater Toronto area, and it seemed like a good platform to share some recipes you could make while using the product. But after some time, I don't run that business anymore. But during that time, I was also working as a commercial photographer and videographer, which I still do today. So whether you're plant-based or plant-based curious and you're new here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. As I don't qualify myself as a perfect vegan, I do try to keep the channel as inviting and as inclusive as possible because the channel's goal has always been to create a positive impact in your everyday life, as well as to hopefully bring you a little bit of joy. I do also try my very best to read and reply to every comment on here, even the mean ones. If you are new here, be sure to pick up your free ebook that has 5 super easy, unintimidating, plant-based recipes that I've put together just for you to help you get started with cooking today. Of course, there is a nice picture for every recipe, and you can get that ebook in the link above or a link in the description box below. I am working behind the scenes to bring you some new and exciting content, so be sure to stay tuned, subscribed with that notification bell clicked, and of course, I'll see you in the next episode.